In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize tables in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to organize data or simply add structure to your document, tables can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in, starting from the beginning. First things first, open your browser and go to Google Docs. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your documents. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click on the document you want to work on. If you don't have a document yet, you can create a new one by clicking the plus button for a blank file or choosing from a template. With your document open, head to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear presenting various options. From this menu, navigate down to Table. Clicking on Table will prompt a grid to appear. Here you can select the number of columns and rows you desire for your table. Simply drag across the grid to highlight the number of cells you need. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click to insert the table into your document. One of the great features in Google Docs is that tables are incredibly customizable. To modify it further, let's add some new rows. Right-click on a cell where you'd like a new row to appear. From the context menu, select Insert Row above. If you find you've added too many rows and need to tidy things up, deleting a row is just as simple. Right-click again on a cell in the row you want to remove and select Delete Row from the context menu. And just like that, the unnecessary row will vanish from your table. Customization doesn't stop at rows and columns. For more options, such as adjusting colors and borders, check out the table options. Again, right-click anywhere within your table and select Table Properties. Here, you'll find a conducive interface to manage the finer details of your table's appearance. To jazz up your table and give it a pop of color, you can also adjust the border and fill colors. Select the Color option within Table Properties and choose your desired shade to make your document look even sharper. Then let's say you want to tweak the line thickness of your table borders. Click on 3PT in the Table Properties to see options for adjusting border sizes, helping you emphasize important sections as needed. Finally, to change the border color, click on Border Color and select from a palette of colors offered by Google Docs. This can help in differentiating sections of your table depending on their importance or function. And there you have it, the basics of adding and customizing tables in Google Docs. With these simple steps, you can make your documents not only more organized, but also visually appealing and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.